Want to edit this? Let's start! First, I'm going to turn my image into a video using AI image to video. If your clip is already a video, you can skip this part. Next, we're going to extend the clip using AI. Just click this button, then drag the end of the clip. After that, write a prompt. I'll make mine so that he has glowing blue eyes. Click Generate when you're done with your prompt. Alright, now go to Stock Media, then head to Video Inspiration. Search for Robot Transformation and pick a template you like. Add your image here. Make sure it's the same character as in your previous clip so it looks consistent. Click Generate when you're ready. Now that the video generation is done, let's move on to filters. Go to Filters and search for a blue tone. We'll use Evening Blue, drag it to your first clip. Next, go to Effects. Click the little diamond icon to use keyframes. You can create a flashing effect by setting it to 100% and then 0%, repeating that over time. You can also add Azure Blue again on the last clip to make it more dramatic. Now for the effects. Search for Comic Multitrack and apply it to the first clip. Then add the breakout effect to the last clip. Adjust the speed so it matches the hand movement when the effect breaks out. It makes a big difference. Next, let's add HUD glasses. Then let's add HUD mask blue. You can also throw in a thunder effect right when he reaches his hand out. To finish the visuals, add a vignette to the whole video. Now, let's add text. Go to Titles and search for Warning. Use the Gamer Channel Kit title and change the text however you like. Add another text Ashen Fade 01. You can also place a futuristic loading sticker underneath for extra detail. And that's it! Thanks for watching! Bye!